step by step on how to divide using long division method. It's going to be very fun and simple. So now the step is: first you divide, second multiply, the third you subtract, the fourth step is you bring it down. Daddy, mommy, sister, brother, DMSB, DMSB, daddy, mommy, sister and brother. So now the daddy means what? Divide, mommy multiply, sister you subtract, brother bring it down. All right, so let's start. First you divide. What are you dividing? The first digit, which is 7. 7 divided by 3 is what? 3 cannot divide 7. So what exactly are we going to do? 3 can go into 7 how many times? If 3 go into 7, we have 3 times 2 to be 6. So you have 3 times 2 is 6. You write the 6 on top here. 6, no, not 6. 3 times 2 is 6. So is 2. Yes, you write the 2 on top. Now 2 times 3, they multiply. 2 times 3 is 6. You write the 6. Now you subtract. What are you subtracting? You only use this 7, so you will not touch this other 2. You only use this 7. So 7 minus 6 is what? 7 minus 6 is 1. Write the 1. So this is when you bring down. You bring down. What are you bringing down? 3 cannot divide 1. 3 cannot divide this one, so you have to bring down 6. You bring down 6 here. You now have 16 instead of 1. 16 divided by 3 is what? 3 goes into 16 how many times? So if you check 3 times table, you have 3 times 5 to be 15. So 3 cannot divide 16. Instead, the closest number to 16 that 3 can divide is 15. So 15 divided by 3 is what? 5. You write the 5. So 5 times 3. That is the multiplication. You multiply 5 times 3 is what? 15. Write the 15 here. So the next step you do what? You subtract. 16 minus 15. 16 minus 15 is what? 1. So again you bring down 2. You bring down 2. You have here to be 12. Then 12 divided by 3. You go again to divide. 12 divided by 3 is 4. You multiply. 4 times 3 is what? 12. You subtract, is the minus. 12 minus 12 is what? 0. So there is nothing to bring down. Is 0. There is nothing to bring down. So this is the answer. 762 divided by 3 is what? 254. That is the answer. Don't forget your formula: daddy, mommy, sister, brother. So let's go to the next question. How can we divide 4-digit number by 3-digit number? This one seems very hard when you look at it, but it's not hard. It's very simple to divide. So let's look at this. This is 223, and this one is what? 8,476. So what are you to do? You take the 3. You first check whether these 3 digits can divide the first 3, and you can see the first 3 is bigger than this, so it can divide. So what you have to take, you not take the first one because this is 3 digits. You take the first 3 at once, and then you divide by 223. And now 847 divided by 223 will be what? Let's check something. 2 times 2 times 4 is what? 8. Then 2 times 4 again is what? 8. 2 times 3 is 6. So this should be 8, 8. So 4 can now go. Let's check 3. 2 times 3 is what? 6. This is 6. 2 times 3 here is what? 6. So this will be what? 6, 6, 9. 2 times 3 times 3 is 9. So 6, 6, 9. And the next should be what? 8, 8. And this one will be 12. So what we are trying to do is that the answer should be 3. The answer here will give us 3. Why? 3 times this number, 3 times 223 will give you 6, 6, 9. So you subtract them. What are you to do? 7 minus 9. You borrow 1 and add. There is 17. 17 minus 9 is 8. 17 minus 9 is 8. Then what is remaining here? 3. You borrow 1 and add to 3. 13. 13 minus 6 is 7. Then this is what? 7. 7 minus 6 is 1. So can you divide this by this? No. Can you divide 178 by 223? No. You now bring down the 6. Now divide 1786 by 223. We check 4 here and we add 8, 8 and then 12 here. So it will be 8, 9 and 2. 8, 9, 2. So if we multiply that by 2, we should have what? We should have 1600 and so on. So now let's check 8. The whole of this times 8. So that if 8 is the answer here, we will now say 8 times this, and then if it will give us this number, 1786. So now 8 times 2 is 16. So 1600. In fact, we have it already here. 1700, 1600. If we try 9, this 2 times 9 will give us 1800, which is more than this. If we try 7, 2 times 7 will give us 1400, but we have 2 times 8 will give us what? 1800. So this 8 is 8 that is very close to this 1786. So let's check 8. So the answer will be 8. 8 times 223 is what? 1784. Look at this. 8 times 3 is what? 24. You write 4 and carry 2. 8 times 2 is 16 plus that 2, 18. You write 8 and carry 1. 8 times 2 again, you have 16 plus that 1, 17. So this is correct. Now you subtract 1786 minus 1784. 6 minus 4, you have here 2. So this is the answer. This 2 is now the remainder, meaning that 8476 divided by 222 is what? 38. Remainder 2. So this remainder, what you have to do if you want to divide further, you fix a point and then add 0. When you add 0, you cannot still divide, so you also add another 0 here and then add another 0. you cannot still divide. So you add another 0 and add another 0 here. So what will happen is that 2000 divided by 223, you have what? You have 8. Then 8 times 223 is what? 1784. And when you subtract this and this, they are the same, but it's a coincidence, so it may not be the same for other numbers. When you now subtract, you have 216. So there is nothing to bring down again. If you want to continue, you add 0 and continue dividing.